Hey, I'm 2,500 miles away from my shop outside of Philly. I'm out at Dave M's ranch, and we've been doing some work on this. Dave is also my father-in-law. He built this house completely by hand himself. So being so far away with no tools or anything, I can't do a lot of the work myself, and there's a lot more involved than I'm capable of doing. So basically this trip, I'm a general contractor and I'm hiring others to actually do the work on the house, and so we can put this house back into tip-top shape for the man that built it. Needs some improvements, so we're out here doing some improvements. Last year we put in a new front deck. Now we got to replace the side deck. There's going to be a link coming up on the screen for GoFundMe. If you can, please donate and we can get some stuff done. So far we've replaced the kitchen faucet, bought a new refrigerator, and we're working on the rest. So let's go in and take a look at what we've got. So here's the new fridge that we put in, and we got the new kitchen faucet. So we got to do some more electrical work and some plumbing and do some work on the well house, and we can continue working on that, and hopefully we can get enough to make all this work.
First project we're going to do is this faucet is broke. The handle's snapped inside here and just comes off, and we'll replace the whole thing and get him a new one. Well, now it's fixed.
Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn.